Before you click away, let me ask you something important. How many years have you been learning English? 2 years? 5 years? 10 years? And now another question. Are you really satisfied with your progress? If you feel that your English should be much better by now, stay with me. Do not skip this video. Because today, you may discover the real reason you feel stuck, and it might surprise you. If you want slow, clear English that helps you move forward step by step, subscribe now. This channel is your daily training space. Now, let's talk honestly. The silent frustration. Many learners carry a quiet frustration inside. They studied English in school, they watched videos, they used apps, they learned grammar rules. But when it is time to speak, they still hesitate. When they try to explain something, they still feel limited. And deep inside, a painful thought appears. Maybe I am just bad at languages. But what if that thought is wrong? What if your English is not improving, not because you are incapable, but because you are repeating the same mistake every year? Stay with me. The next part is very important. Reason 1. You are only consuming English. Be honest. How much English do you use every day? And how much English do you only consume? Many learners listen every day. They watch videos. They scroll social media in English. They read posts. This feels productive, but listening is input. Reading is input. Speaking and writing are output. If your learning is 90% input and 10% output, your progress will be slow. Imagine going to the gym and only watching other people exercise. You understand how exercises work, you know the techniques, but your muscles do not grow. English is the same. If you want improvement, output must increase. Reason 2. No clear system. Another big problem is randomness. One day you watch a grammar video. Next day you try a vocabulary app. Then you forget for 3 days. Then you feel guilty. Then you start again. This creates activity, but not progress. Progress needs structure. Without a clear routine, your brain does not build strong connections. Learning English is like building a house. If you put bricks everywhere without a plan, you get a mess. But if you follow a structure, the house slowly becomes strong. Later in this video, I will give you a simple system. Stay with me. Reason 3. You avoid discomfort. This reason is uncomfortable, but it is true. Improvement lives inside discomfort. Speaking is uncomfortable. Making mistakes is uncomfortable. Not understanding everything is uncomfortable. So what do many learners do? They return to what feels safe. They watch more videos. They review grammar they already know. They repeat easy exercises. It feels good, it feels productive, but nothing changes. Growth happens when you challenge your current level. If you always stay in easy English, your brain has no reason to grow. Reason 4. You do not measure progress. Another hidden problem is lack of measurement. If you do not measure something, you cannot see improvement. Many learners feel stuck because they cannot see small changes. But progress in language is slow and quiet. Here's a simple test. Record yourself speaking for 2 minutes today. Save the recording. After 30 days of daily speaking practice, record again. Compare. You will hear progress. Without proof, your brain thinks nothing is changing. With proof, motivation increases. The solution: a clear 4-part daily plan. Now let me give you something practical. This is simple but powerful. 1. Speak every day, 10 to 15 minutes. Speak out loud, not in your head.
Describe your day. Share your opinion. Explain something simple. Fluency grows through repetition. 2. Listen with intention. 15 minutes. Don't just play English in the background. Listen actively. First time, just understand the idea. Second time, notice new words. Third time, repeat sentences aloud. Active listening builds strong ears. 3. Write short texts. 10 minutes. Write a small diary entry, 5 to 10 sentences. Then check mistakes, correct, and rewrite. Writing organizes your thoughts and improves grammar naturally. 4. Read aloud. 10 minutes. Reading silently helps understanding. Reading aloud helps speaking. Your mouth learns rhythm. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. Small daily practice is stronger than long weekly sessions. Consistency wins. The emotional shift. Now I want you to hear something clearly. You are not stuck because you are not intelligent. You are stuck because your method is weak, and methods can change. Years do not matter. What matters is what you do from today. Even if you studied English for 10 years without progress, 6 months of correct training can change everything. Do not let the past define your future. Imagine 1 year from now. Imagine you follow a clear routine for 1 year. Daily speaking, active listening, simple writing, regular reading. 1 year later, your confidence will be different. Your speed will be different. Your thinking will be different. The version of you in the future is built by small daily actions today. If your English is not improving, do not feel ashamed. Feel responsible. Responsibility is powerful because if the problem is your method, the solution is also in your hands. Start small. Speak today. Write today. Listen actively today. And if you want daily slow English practice that helps you grow step by step, subscribe to this channel. We are not chasing perfection here. We are building real, steady progress. You are not behind. You are just one good system away from change. And that change can start right now.